Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to find and install Keywords Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere is a Google Chrome or Firefox plugin that allows users to see the average number of searches per month for a given time range. After searching for it and clicking on the correct link, you'll be brought to this page, where it gives you a little bit of information about it, as well as two different browsers you can install it on. I'm doing Chrome, so I'm going to install in Chrome. You'll see down here some of the stuff that will be added, but let's ignore that for now and just go to Add to the browser. Click Add Extension. You'll be then brought to this page. You want to put in an email and then click I agree to terms and privacy policy. The second is optional. Then click email me the free API key. You will then want to open up your email and then click on the link that they sent to get your API key. And then copy it. And now you're going to want to click the black circle with the red K icon that they show here, which is in the top right corner for Chrome and probably for Firefox as well. Click Settings, then paste your API key into this text box and click Validate. And here you can change any of the settings that you wish to change. For now, I'm just going to change the country to the United States. And now, since we're done with the settings and installation, I'll show you what some of the changes are when you search Matcha Tea. As you can now see, volume for the average searches per month is 60,500 for the time range. The current time range is set to any time, but if you change it to year, it won't change. Also, what is new are these tables on the side. They show related keywords and what people also searched for that searched for Matcha Tea. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day.